Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we have a brand new radio on the bench. It's the CX33hpc1 by Connex. This radio is basically the same size as a Cobra 29. It's a dual final high power radio. And so we've got it out of the box. All we've done is the conversion. And done the conversion on it and got it going here. So we've got it hooked up here to the Marconi. We're going to do a test. So, that's stock modulation, about 69%. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and do a proper alignment on this thing and get her checked out. And it's just a little off frequency. So we're going to adjust the frequency and get all that done. And then we'll put her on the spectrum analyzer and get her hooked up here to the scope spectrum analyzer and get her cleaned up and ready to go. Then we'll do the receive. Basically, we're just doing the works to this thing like we would any radio out of the box. Mr. Buck asked for the works, and that's what he's going to get. So we'll be back. Alright, we're back with the CX33hpc. We got the full transmit done on it. I'm just sitting here playing with it with the microphone. This thing is crystal clear all the way across. 300. Took a little bit of doing, but I guess I should have showed the before on that. But man, it was. So the way we've got this high power all the way up at 7 watts. Okay. Tune clean, 100% modulation, modulating. Hello, check 1 2 1 2 audio, about 28 watts. Everything looks good. 1 2 3 4. Hello, check check. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and check out the receive real quick and see what we got to do there. And well, I know I'm going to have to align it. We're just going to align it. It's a brand new radio out of the box, so it hasn't been hacked. So I'm just going to go ahead and align the receive, and we'll be back. Alright, so we've done the receive alignment, and we're at 12 dB, negative 101. And it's falling out right there about negative 118. So, you know, for this style of radio, that's pretty good. Not bad at all. So we're happy the way that came out. So we're going to put this thing back together and we'll do an overview. Be right back. Alright, we're back real quick, and I've got her set up here for the to check the S meter, and it is pretty darn close right out of the factory. It's right on S9. So we're going to leave that adjustment alone. And anyway, now we'll do an overview. I forgot to show that, so we'll come back. We'll do an overview for that now. Be right back. Alright, so we're back with the Connex CX33, and got it all hooked up. So first I want to just go through we'll just key it up, show you we're keying the radio here manually. And first I want to go through here and show you we're at 300 megahertz, crystal clear, 100 megahertz span. Let's go down to 250. Take it down to 100. And it's good. Take it down to 60. It's good all the way across. 1 2 3 4 audio check. Check check 1 2 3 4 audio 1 2. So it looks good. It's working good too. So hello 1 2 3 4 audio check. Looking good all the way across, and it sounded good. Let you hear it. 1 2 3 audio check check. Got a little echo on there. So well, Buck, there's your CX33, man. I think you're going to enjoy it. We definitely appreciate your business and definitely appreciate your faith in us to build you a good radio. So anyway, looks like the CX33 is a winner in my book. Nice little compact radio. It's got lots of features. We will go over this real quick because this is a new radio and a lot of people haven't seen them. So up here at the top, you've got your volume and your squelch. You got your mic gain and your RF gain. It's RF gain. You've got right here your band selector. You got your power, your mode, noise breaker A&L, 10K switch. Here you've got your talkback variable, and then you got your dimmer. The dimmer works. And then your echo. And this does have the good Ranger style echo board in it. It's got a good sound to it. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, check. I'm running a little too much echo right now, but it's a working. So anyway, that's where we're at right there. And it changed on me a little bit up to about 7.5 watt dead key. And I did try to line that up where it would represent that here on the front of the deal. Now you can go to low power. Low power is about 3 watts. And then low power is about 1.5 watts. So that's where we're at. Tried to cut them in half each time. So anyway, Buck, it ought to do you a good radio. So I mean, do you a good job. So all right, guys. Well, like I said, we got a lot going on. Got a couple more amplifiers coming up. Got a 4-pill and a 5-pill we're going to be showing off this week for Mr. Johnson and for Mr. King. We're going to get those done and have them out, and then we've got several more coming up. We're just busy and blowing and going here. So and got several alignments and stuff. We got a Cobra 25 comp coming up, and well, a couple other radios too. So we got a whole lot on our plate. We're just blowing and going here, trying to get it done. So y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, and be kind. We'll catch you next time. I gotta go. I'll see you. Bye.